Ethan stood outside the coffee shop, his heart fluttering.
Today, everything would be different.
Emily walked toward the coffee shop, unaware that someone had been watching her for months.
Finally, some quiet time for myself.
Every step felt heavy, but he moved forward.
I don't even know where to start.
Her smile made his heart flutter.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Everything seemed normal, but his heart was screaming.
Hi, Emily, right?
Yes. Hi. You're Ethan.
A silent moment, yet full of awkwardness and curiosity. I've wanted to talk to you for a while.
Finally, you've been waiting too long.
I'll have the same coffee as you.
Perfect. We'll share the taste.
Her laugh broke the ice between them.
How long have you been coming here? Just a few months.
I've been watching you from afar.
Really? I didn't expect that from you.
His smile melted some of the tension. Maybe this wasn't so scary after all.
I want to know you better.
That's sweet and surprising at the same time. Sometimes I feel like people in this cafe know everything about me.
Mate, but not anymore. Today I want to know you alone.
A brief moment of silence, yet filled with hidden emotions. Sometimes silence says everything that...
You hesitated a lot before talking,
Yes,
but now nothing can stop me.
maybe I've liked you for a long time.
I didn't expect that, but it's nice.
Should we meet tomorrow?
This might be the best coffee date suggestion ever.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Their laughter filled the air and the world seemed closer to them.
Some moments feel effortless. A strange feeling, like everything around us became better.
Everything feels different. Sometimes courage comes from the simplest things. A word, a glance, a simpler than we think.
Suddenly, rain started falling, but it didn't bother them. And then, everything changed. Come on, let's share this rain together.
Looks like we're getting closer already.
Come here. Maybe this is the strangest place to say this, but I want you to know you matter to me.
I didn't expect this day, but it's so beautiful.
And so, after months of fear and silence, their hearts finally connected.
Love begins with a small step, but this step can change everything.
Today was the day of courage, and one word was enough to start a new story.